Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. I missed y'all so much, but okay. We're just gonna jump right in. Our video on today, as you saw from the title, we will be unbagging our Ipsy Glam Bag, okay? And this is for the month of June. And for those of you who are not familiar with the Glam Bag, this is the one that has the samples and the deluxe samples in it, okay? This particular subscription bag goes for about $13.99 per month, okay? And it gives you a chance to try out some items before you commit to getting the full size. Let me tell you something, inflation is real, okay? So we just want to make sure that before you go out and spend all those coins for items that you cannot return and you cannot get your money back, try it out in a sample size. And then that way, if it doesn't work for you, no harm, no foul. Okay, so let's just jump in and see what came in this month. Now, let me tell you, everything in this bag was done strictly off of my profile. I did not choose an item. I wanted to see what would happen if I didn't choose anything. So, let's just see what it turned out to be. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I've seen this bag before, but nonetheless, this is the bag for this month. Okay, it's nice. I like this kind of mesh bag, and it does not say Ipsy on it anymore. This one actually says love, okay? And I don't know if you can see it really good. You'll probably have to really get close to the screen or blow it up. Right here in the L is where you'll see the word Ipsy. Okay, so do I like the bag? Yes, I do. I do. And for those of you that don't know, I take the bags and I put items in there that I send away to those that are less fortunate or, that just have a need. All right. So if you do subscribe to the Ipsy Glam Bag and you would like to get rid of some of your bags that are taking up so much space, consider helping out the women that are in shelters or, that are trying to re-enter the workforce. Okay, so when I open it up, the very first thing that I get is a description card, okay, which we did not get in the larger bag. Now this one says ready, set, play, and it says June 2023. This month, give yourself permission to play. Whether you're escaping on a summer vacay or exploring a brand new beauty look with mood-busting makeup and happy hints of color, just remember, the world is your playground, so have fun with it, okay? On the inside, it shows some famous people, we'll just put it that way. And they're showing their true colors, what they do with them. The reds, they say this is a mood boost for passion. Get the vibe. Crimson lips, okay. Orange, optimism. Sunset lids. Yellow, the mood boost is joy. And it says a statement liner. Oh, I might have to try that. Green is for tranquility. Inner corner pop. Blue is for confidence. Cut crease, okay. And it says violet is for ambition and iridescent cheeks. Wow. Okay. And pink is for compassion all over rose. All right. So that's what this particular one says. So I guess it's really like the others because it's still not giving us any information about the items that we have. So let's just see what came inside this month. The items in my glam bag this month, the first one that I have a sample size of is the Micro Delivery Exfoliating Daily Facial Wash. And it says this is by Philosophy. Okay, so let's see what we can find out about this product. On the website, it tells us that this is a fan favorite face wash. Not only cleanses your skin, but it also provides a gentle exfoliation that helps leave your face feeling super soft and smooth. Okay, formulated with fine grain desert earth and a gentle amino acid delivered cleansing system. Okay, and it says that this particular item is a 1 fluid ounce size. Philosophy: progress is made in baby steps. Okay, how about that? And this one has a 24-month shelf life. Okay, so this is the first item that we have. Now, if it's a full size, I will give you the price. These definitely are not. Okay, they are a sample size. And this one, actually, the website says it's a deluxe sample. It says apply to slightly damp face and massage for 30 to 60 seconds. Okay, then rinse thoroughly. Okay, item number 1. Then, so the next item that we have is actually a mascara, and it says give them La La Beauty. All right, and this is what the packaging looks like. Okay, very basic, but this is a 10-gram size mascara, and it says it's your new favorite mascara, and it has arrived. This pigmented formula helps create fuller, more dramatic looking lashes in just one swipe. Okay, and this one says it does so without clumping, flaking, or smudging. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one, because it is a full size, is $20. Okay, and it says this one has a 12-month shelf life, and it is a cruelty-free product, and it is in the shade black. Y'all know we don't open mascaras till we're ready to use them, because the shelf life is so short. Okay, so that's the second item. And then let's see, that is the second item. So the next item that we have, okay, y'all know I'm not mad at it. Can you guess why? You got it. It's a brush. Okay, and it's by the company Wing Me Cosmetics, and this is the 09 medium shading brush. Okay, and it says brush stash need a refresh. Maybe not. But anyway, this one has a large brush head with slightly beveled edges. It's perfect for evenly covering your lids with shadow, primers, powders, or liquid products. Okay, let's see. It's nice and fluffy, and yes, it does kind of have, can you see that? You see the design of the brush, which means it's really good for getting like close to the lash line. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, and it says pack the bristles with any eyeshadow and blend it across your entire lid area. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this brush is $12. Okay, now just in case you weren't keeping total, we have already gone almost, well, we've doubled. The value is doubled what we paid for the bag already, and we're not even halfway through. All right, so let's move on and find out about the next item. Hydrating power of hyaluronic and polyglutamic acid. It helps lock in moisture for long-lasting nourishment that helps leave your skin soft, supple, and refreshed. Plus, it has a deliciously fruity scent that will perk you up as soon as you slather it on. Okay, so let's just check. This one has a 12-month shelf life. And it smells rather nice right through, but it is sealed. Oh my God, but it smells good. And if it smells this good with the seal on it, oh my, I can only imagine what it would be like when I actually open it. Okay, now, even though it says this is a deluxe sample, the product comes to right here. Yes, I held it up to the line so I could see, but nonetheless, it is what it is. Okay, now I'm really surprised at this. The next item that I have, I'm glad I have it, but I'm just a little surprised. Now, I know that this says sample sizes, right? So the next item that I have is by Kevin Aquan. Look at this. This is it in the packaging. I just want you to see, okay? So I'm going to open up the packaging and show you what the actual sample size of this looks like. Okay, so it comes with the product and the brush. That's it right there, okay? And it says that this is the Kevyn Aucoin Foundation Balm, and it's in the shade Deep FB13. So I'm definitely excited to check it out and see if it does indeed match my skin tone. I am hoping. Look, I'm going to definitely try it out. I am excited to see if it does indeed match my skin tone, okay? But it says, smooth, even, and velvety skin. Yes, please. This foundation balm works like magic, leaving your face feeling hydrated and looking flawless with a soft matte finish. With skin pampering ingredients like hyaluronic acid and antioxidants like vitamin E, your complexion will be thanking you, okay? So it says just dab and brush foundation onto your skin, then buff out to create even, flawless coverage, okay? Now, it does not tell me what the manufacturer suggested retail price for the full size would be, but it does let us know that this is a sample deluxe sample size, and it's a 0.08 ounce size, okay? Now, first of all, I don't know, but if it does indeed, I think I would like to get this. This is what that little brush looks like, okay? Afterwards, this is probably fantastic for putting my eyeshadow on, okay? Or even feathering out my lipstick, okay? So let's just open it. It does, okay, it's not a powder, which is what I really thought it was. No, it legitimately is a balm, okay? All right, so it says to dab. So we dabbed, and I'm going to put it on the back of my hand, okay? Now, I don't know what in the world I did, but I have this not so beautiful scar right here. And I'm going to buff it on here, and let's see what kind of coverage. Amazing. Oh, okay. I dabbed ever so slightly. This is beautiful. Now, what I dabbed did my entire hand. I mean, it almost looks full coverage. Look at that. Can you see that scar? No? Wow. Oh, this is so beautiful. And it feels really nice. It's not transferring back on my finger either. Oh, I like this. I think I might have to find this product. Definitely. And it's Kevyn Aucoin, so I know it's going to cost me more than coins. It's going to be some folding kind of money. For real, for real. So, that's it. And it is a soft matte. And it's beautiful. Oh my God, that is beautiful. Okay. Let's see if it'll take the shine off my nose. That it did. I like this. So I am hoping when I do find it to purchase that it actually comes with the brush. Okay, I'm hoping so. All right, so what do you think? For me not to have chosen anything, everything I have is probably what I would have chosen. I love it. I'm just saying I absolutely love what I did receive. Okay, so what are your thoughts? I don't know. I'm going to be on here quite a bit. You know, I'm trying to make up for the time that I was away, and I have a stack of boxes over here. So we're going to get to work, and we're going to just push them out as fast as we can. So nonetheless, let's go back to this. What do you think? What are your thoughts of this particular month's Ipsy Glam Bag? I'm not mad at it. I even like this bag, okay? So let me just tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged our Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of June, okay? Now, let me know your thoughts down below. I will show you all the products right here that was in the box. I will give you the total for the full-size products that were in this month's bag, okay, which was actually 2, okay? That was the brush and also the mascara, okay? So Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you are subscribed to Ipsy. What was in your bag this month? Were we bag sisters today? Let me know. Okay. Well, this month, actually. Okay. So remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.